Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Little Dylan wants to make a living, pay his bills, continue his family's legacy on generation to generation. By doing that, harvesting his onions. Well, 2 weeks ago, tragic. Last week, went from bad to worse. This week, it went from worse to worstly. We have gotten over 12 inches of rain in this location in the last 2 weeks. This is by far the worst end of a growing season we've endured, but you got situations like this, water lane here, and then go up the road a little bit more and you got that no crop. I would say projected loss over the last 2 weeks of our crop in yield and quality, just gonna throw a number out there, don't hold me to it, 25%. So 25% of our income for this season has been affected by the last 2 weeks. Tough pill to swallow. With that crying out of the way, we're done crying. We got a pump to fix. We can go out there, pull that out, see what the heck the problem is. Let's get to it. At our solar pump station, we're having issues with it pumping. So that's an issue because the pump, when it doesn't pump, isn't pumping, and we need it to pump. And that's the point of a pump, is to have it pump. Jeff, what are you doing? Praying?
I'm not getting any signal standing next to these solar panels.
Oh.
I think they're good for the environment.
We got the discharge on and off and on. Now we got the pump out because the union got stuck. I got it, Jeff!
I got it too! Dylan, I did as you said, I'm starting it.
Should I turn it on while you're still spinning it on?
Perfect. Look at that.
Jeff, what's the verdict?
Well, Dylan, seems like a little bit of power to this pump and your problems would be solved.
Solar power. Jeff's not into it. You know how, like, when you talk about stuff in the morning with your father and you're like, yeah, we should get that pulled today, and he's like, you can't do that, and then he's out there doing it later? It's all just a diversion. It's a part of his plan. Oh, dads. Oh, daddies. Back to the pump. More pump issues. Pumpy pump. Pump it up. Pump a jam. Yeah, we're here. We're having issues still, so we've had a plumber, an electrician, and Stan has looked at it. And they can't figure it out. It was up to the farmer. The dumb farmer had to figure it out for everybody. Show you what the issue is right now. Here's the moment of truth. That's not supposed to be like that. That's supposed to let water out and not let water in. Well, it was flipped over and not letting water out. Bye-bye. Gotta put this fern coat in because nobody's open on a Sunday. Okay. Come on, baby. Get in there. Go to your home. Are you too good for your home? Okay, kids, let's turn it on.
Yay! Are we done, Papa? Papa's the pump.
Good job, Bucci. Oh yeah, I love when stupid crap happens. This cost me probably, a couple grand. All right, so what's cool about these solar systems is they come set up for a generator plug. So to run this all night is about 5 gallons of gas. Think about that when you're thinking about a solar pump, how much energy savings there is. It is a pain to come out here every day and put 5 gallons of gas in it. But this farm is very saturated and we need to continuously pump.
Nice and smooth. Look at Papa, why is that right there?
Like Wade said, nice and smooth. Floors poured. Beautiful. Flat. Perfect. Perfect job, Murphy Brothers out of Auburn. They've done both of our buildings and both of them are beautiful. Next week I think they're going to start working on the interior of that building. We got Tong coming to do some modifications to the Dominator, and we're gonna get our harvesters dirty. Weather pattern's been holding up pretty good and it's go time.
Let's get walking.
All right, let's get working. We'll see you next week. Thanks for watching.